Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid with another Cafecito adventure. This adventure is from my trip to Mexico City. We were there in the springtime. We had been there for about 2 days and we decided to go find a place to have coffee. We didn't look up a place, we just wanted to walk around, wander the city and find a place for some cafecito. We were in the neighborhood of Condesa. It's one of the hip, cool neighborhoods of the city. There are so many great neighborhoods, and this one had a lot of coffee shops and places to see. We decided to just walk around and go to the first coffee shop we ran into, which was Starbucks. But this Starbucks was pretty cool. It was a 2-story Starbucks. So we decided to check it out because as I found out, different Starbucks from different countries have different things that we don't have here in the States, like different flavors of coffees, different pastries, and just a bit of a different atmosphere. This was a very cool Starbucks. It had a lot of nice places to sit, and it was good to just hang out with the locals and enjoy the atmosphere. This place felt very cozy, very welcoming. It had a lot of places where people could just hang out, study, use their laptops, and everyone was just very chill, which we enjoyed. We felt right at home, even though we were in another country. And although it was a Starbucks, the coffee did taste a bit different. We tried some of the local Mexican coffee and it was actually quite good. So even though you're in another country, you should definitely check out the Starbucks because you might discover something unique and different. On the way back to the Airbnb, we just walked around and trying to discover more new things like this cool bike shop, and figured that this city has a lot of cool things and places to see. It's a city that is huge and you need a lot of time to discover it, but we enjoyed our time there in this neighborhood of Condesa. And on the way back home, we saw many things that really surprised us. It's definitely a city that you need several days to walk around and discover, and definitely find more coffee shops. This city is definitely a place I want to go back to and have more Cafecito adventures. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Cafecito adventures, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!